But listen, this is Scotty T. Reed, the president of the North Carolina-based nonprofit New Media Education Organization, Black Talk Media Project. Of course, through it, I founded the Black Talk Radio Network, and I'm just running quick tests with a screen recorder for a smartphone, just to show people that they don't need a computer or sophisticated equipment to become content producers on Black Talk Radio Network. We have a campaign by Juneteenth, June of 2019, to have 1,000 subscribers or producers, or whatever you want to produce. And so just want to record a video showing, doing a test run, or I guess you would say first run of recording my screen. So okay, from a smartphone. So I'm on an Android, and I'm going to log into my account like you will be able to log into your account at Black Talk Radio Network. If you become one of our members for $24 a year, go to the website. You'll get more information about that. I'll show it to you on the screen. But I'm actually just want to test this screen recording software to see if it will work to do what I needed to do. So let's say I want to be a blogger. Let's say, for example, let's go, I want to make a new post from a smartphone. I don't need a computer. I'm out here wherever. So I'm going to do, let's say, test post. All right, so it's not working. Something's going wrong with me using that microphone. That could be the DU recorder. So this is test post. Test post for let's say BTR. And mobile. All right, that'll be the title of this post. All right, so I did do this before. I don't know if it'll work now, where I could just do a voice post. But first, let's say I wanted to add some media. Now, this is why we need at least 1,000 subscribers at $24 a year to help us build and maintain this independent Black media platform. But I'm going to add media. Now, I could upload files from my computer. Earlier, I did a record from my smartphone, and it doesn't stream it out live like YouTube. But if the file size isn't too large, it did start uploading it. And so I can increase the file upload size, which is 99 megabytes right now. And so I can increase that the more subscribers we have, which provides us with resources to provide it for all of us, the entire collective on Black Talk Radio. Or I could just, upload any files I recorded, whether that's from my camera, or let me see, how do I go back? I'm going to go back, select from the camcorder. If I wanted to start recording, it would allow me to do that. I'm recording by clicking here. So yeah, it's not allowing me to use it because the other app is using it. That's okay. But I could do it. Or I could just simply upload any video files that I have, or audio files, like for example, let's say here's a video, 22 megabytes. That's under the file. So I could just record it and then upload it. And as you can see, it's uploading that right now. But I actually don't want to do that right now for this video, but I'm going to cancel it. All right, so I will be able to embed the post, and let me see if it'll work with the microphone. Testing. Yeah, so it's not working with my recording while I'm using this DU recorder to record my screen. But if I wasn't recording my screen right now with that app, then I will be able to talk to text using my phone, my smartphone. So as I will show you, let me see, let me just save this as a draft. Let me see. That's not what I want to do. I want to save this as a draft, save draft right there. So let me save that. All right, now let me go to all post. Look at my last draft where I did the talk to text. Now you won't get all of this. I'm logged in as the administrator, an administrator account. As an author account, you know, you have all different options to upload media, import media, and whatnot. But you won't see some of the stuff that you're seeing right now. So where's that test post? Okay, right here. So let's do a preview of that post. Now, this is what it would look like if I published it live, but I was just doing a test, recording video, 10-second video, recording it live while I was uploading it at the same time to Black Talk Radio Network on my smartphone. And I think you probably could get away with a live 10-minute recording, but it depends on the size of the files of your when you're recording from your smartphone, how big those files. You could adjust those settings, but you could record it live or just record it, not live streaming or anything, and then upload it. Just doing a quick test. All right, so it's gonna do that till it fully uploads. So, but the text down there, as you can see, if you have a smartphone that has a text to voice feature, you can easily create a post using your smartphone with Black Talk Radio Network. So again, $24 a year, you become a publisher. You don't need a computer to be a citizen journalist, to upload stuff and be a part of this global black media movement that we started in 2008. Also, as a publisher, you see those that's built in. We have a ad network. You'll be able to post your own ads. So say you got Google AdSense, or you belong to some other place, or people pay you to promote the stuff you post to our content. They want to pay you, not me, pay you to advertise in your content. You could do that. And there's a section teaching you how to use the background, the ad network. So I'm not going to go over all of that in this post. So that's the test, what it would look like. I mean, the post, if I made it live, that was a preview of the post. So what are some of the other things you could do? So again, you know, when you log into your account, your publisher's account, let's say you're a YouTuber, and you got an audience over there. So and you have a black channel. So you could join us, $24 a year, and just import your stuff in, expand your audience, you know, the public videos you make and what have you. So you go set up an automatic import, but I do recommend on automatic import, unless you're on an iPad or something like that. It's best to, you know, set the automatic import from a computer. All right. So different settings there. So you would see this. You will have access to this YouTube video importer, you know, and there's different ways you could import them and what have you. Again, you can also directly upload, but let's say that your video is more than we can handle now. It's larger than 99 megabytes because you're doing a 3-hour live stream on YouTube. Well, again, you can still just import that. It doesn't matter about that size. You could just set up the automatic import. It'll pull it in or put in the what is it? The video ID number, in simple ways like add new. If I got that video ID number, that's on the end of the URL for I could just import it. As you can see here, some examples of those, just that back end of the YouTube video, and then I could search for the video and import it. So again, I'm just doing a quick overview. What is some of the other stuff, ways you can upload the media? Of course, click on media, add new, go to the library. Some of this other stuff you won't see. This again is my administrator account. So let me close that. Let me go to the dashboard. So you could just make a blog post, embed media into it, and what have you. All right, so thanks for watching. Again, help us maintain. We're looking for 1,000 subscribers, publishers. You also get access to our social media community. I might as well go ahead and show you our social media community. First of all, let me go ahead and log out. And now we're going to go to Black Talk Media Radio Network's community. Welcome to BTR community, our own social media network. When people, were saying, well, we need to get off of Facebook because they discriminating against people, they spying on people. We need, more safe and secure. So that's why we created BTR community 2 years ago. I think 2016? Might have been 2016. Okay, so this is some of the stuff you can see if you're not logged in as a member. Some people set their profiles or the content that they, post their posts, just like, any other social network. And I'm going to go ahead and log in. But they set it to private and you can't see it, or they set it to friends only. So for that $24 a year, not only can you distribute your content as a Black media producer, citizen journalist, subscriber, whatever, to BTRN, BlackTalkRadioNetwork.com. But for that $24 a year membership contribution to Black Talk Media Project, you get access to our social media community. So, you're really getting a lot of membership benefits for just $24 a year, which helps support our media efforts as a nonprofit. All right, this is Scotty signing out. Oh, yeah, where can you find out more? Well, on BTR community, let me see if I logged out. Log out. How can you join? Okay, click there, join. And then everything I've been talking to you about, it's not only on BTR community, become a publisher, subscriber, and social media member, but that's on Black Talk Radio Network as well. And you could go, and we'll go ahead and get you subscribed to the social media community, as well as you will have the option. Again, you don't have to publish anything. You don't have to become, an independent Black media publisher on Black Talk Radio Network. You just want to support the work and keep it free for all of us, but more importantly, help us to survive. If we can't, we're at like 190 subscribers right now that are contributing $24 a year or more. Some of them more, some of them less, depending upon their budgets. But we need 1,000, and our target is by Juneteenth, June 2019. If we don't have 1,000, we have to shut down after 11 years. But we know that's not going to happen, right? Because you're going to give. You're going to become a member of our network. So as you can see there in the menu, become a publisher or subscriber. And you'll see you can sign up there as well. All right, this is Scotty Reed signing out. Continue to check out my podcast, Black Talk Radio News, as well as New Abolitionist Radio and some of the other programs that you find on BlackTalkRadioNetwork.com. Let me see. I want to go back to the home page. Guess my Wi-Fi kind of slow right now. I'm gonna go home. And yeah, all these great shows, podcasts, videos, from that have been imported or uploaded to the network. Become a part of this independent Black media movement. Be the media that you want to see. BlackTalkRadioNetwork.com.